A very good evening to one and all present here. On behalf of the management, staff and students of Bharati Vidya Bhavan's Mehta Vidyalaya, I welcome you all to our 65th annual day function. As a mark of our undying tradition, we begin the program on an auspicious note by invoking the Almighty through the lighting of the lamp, which shall be followed by a Sarv Dharm prayer presented by a school choir group under the guidance of Mr. Deepak Agarwal and Mr. Ravi Dhawan. I request the guests to proceed for the lighting of the lamp. The world is full of diamonds and gems, and we have some of them here with us today to make this evening a memorable one for all of us. In the spirit of Atiti Devo Bhav, which means the guest is God, our choir group now presents the welcome song to express our joy and gratitude towards all our guests.
Sa
I now request our esteemed guests to take their seats on the dais. As the Chief Coordinator of this year's Annual Day, it is an honor for me itself to welcome the audience for today's function. Before we begin, let me first welcome the Chief Guest for today, Shri Gopal Krishna Agarwal, an eminent scholar and social reformer. Shri Ashok Pradhan, Director Bhavans Delhi Kendra, Shri Rajesh Mishra, Registrar Delhi Kendra, Dr. A.K. Sharma, Regional Education Officer, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Shri C.K. Arya, Manager Mehta Vidyalaya, Dr. Mrs. Anju Tandon, Principal Mehta Vidyalaya, Dr. Jagrati Sharma, Vice Principal Mehta Vidyalaya, other dignitaries, parents, my fellow teachers and students of this esteemed institution on the occasion of our 65th Annual Day. We believe that every person who graces the event this evening is a symbol of inspiration and encouragement for our students. In continuance with Bhavan's continuous endeavors for nurturing the environment, our head boy, Laksh Baveja, and head girl, Disha Verma, will now felicitate our chief guest, Shri Agarwal, with a memento, a book, and a planter. Our cultural head girls, Shachi Joshi and Riddhi Srivastav, will now present a token of our respect to Shri Ashok Pradhan, Director Bhavans Delhi Kendra. Sir is a retired bureaucrat of the 1967 batch, AG MUT cadre. He has served at various key positions before retiring as the Secretary, Ministry of Small Scale Industries in 2002. Our cultural head boys, Ibn Razi and Tanay Verma, will now welcome Shri C. Rajesh Mishra, Registrar Bhavans Delhi Kendra. We thank you, sir, for always taking a keen interest in all our activities. Our discipline head girls, Suhani Bhargav and Shubhda Mishra, will now present a token of our respect to Dr. A.K. Sharma, Regional Education Officer, Bharati Vidya Bhavan. Discipline head boys Rahim Akil and Aryan Gola will now felicitate Dr. C.K. Arya, Manager, Bhavans Mehta Vidyalaya. We are deeply honored and privileged to have amongst us a very distinguished alumnus of the 1980 batch of Mehta Vidyalaya, Shri Gopal Krishna Agarwal, as the chief guest of today's function. Shri Gopal Krishna Agarwal is an eminent scholar. His unique ability to navigate the world of business and to communicate complex economic issues in a simple manner has always been admired by the media, people, and by economists. His experience in governance through his active engagement with many government organizations has contributed in policy design and its implementation. Currently, Sir is a director at Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited and ICSI's Institute of Insolvency Professionals. He has also held the position of the Government Nominee Director at Bank of Baroda and Northeastern Electric Power Company. Some of the noble initiatives undertaken by our esteemed chief guest in the recent past include the Annapurna Yojana, which was the free community kitchen during COVID times, Milk Cooperative Movement for the rural areas, Drive Against Corruption. He authored the Private Members Bill on Prevention of Bribery in Private Sector and the Voluntary Code on Anti-Bribery for Corporate Sector, the Legal Help Desk for People, adoption and revival of water bodies under the Jal Adhikar Foundation, trustee and treasurer of Surya Sansthan at Noida, which works for women empowerment. Deeply rooted in Indian Sanskriti and its heritage, well versed with ancient scriptures, Shri Agarwal is committed to the task of nation building. He has authored books and writes regularly for newspapers and magazines. He firmly believes that India's global leadership will be accepted only when its philosophical and civilizational wealth is backed by economic might. In the present times of Amrit Kal, we are truly blessed to have you as the chief guest on this momentous occasion. Mehta Vidyalaya has been scaling new heights of success and glory under the dynamic leadership of our principal, Dr. Srimati Anju Tandon. I now invite ma'am to present the annual report for the year 2022-23.
Namaskar. I take great pleasure in welcoming the dignitaries on the dais on this special occasion of annual day and prize distribution function. This is a very precious moment for all of us here as the function underlies successful completion of 65 years in the realms of imparting education with strong foundation of Sanskrit and Sanskriti. The school annual day holds a very special place in our hearts as it is a testament to the hard work, perseverance and dedication that we all have put together throughout the year. It's a reflection of the vibrant educational and co-curricular accomplishments that we have gained together as Team Bhavans Mehta Vidyalaya. On this jubilant occasion, I am so delighted and proud to welcome our chief guest, Shri Gopal Krishna Agarwal, who is an ideal of knowledge and an eminent scholar spearheading the economic think tank of the country. Shri Gopal Agarwal is a chartered accountant and an economist by qualification. He is a unique blend of social reformist and pragmatic business acumen with ground connect and understanding of the needs of people. Most importantly, I take pride in saying that Shri Agarwal is an alumnus of Mehta Vidyalaya. He studied in Bharati Vidya Bhavan from Standard 1 to Standard 12 and is a pass out from Mehta Vidyalaya in the year 1980. It's my honor and privilege to welcome you to your own alma mater, sir. I offer my salutations to Shri Ashok Pradhan, IAS retired, former Secretary, Government of India, Director, Bharati Vidya Bhavan, Delhi Kendra, whose distinct vision and illuminating ideas have always been an inspiration for all of us. It's my proud privilege to welcome our illustrious Director, sir, whose far-sighted approach is spearheading all the activities of Bhavan's Delhi Kendra from 2008 onwards. It's an honor to convey my heartfelt regards and salutations to our chairperson in absentia, Kumari Surinder Seni ma'am, whose blessings are most valuable to us. I heartily welcome Shri Rajesh Mishra sir, Registrar Bhavan's Delhi Kendra, our manager sir, Dr. C.K. Arya, Regional Education Officer, Dr. A.K. Sharma on the dais. My greetings to all the dignitaries of the dais. Dr. Shashi Bala is present, Head of Indology from Bhavan's Delhi Kendra. Shri Rajan Dhingra, former Principal. Shrimati Vibha Kohli, former Vice Principal. Shrimati Alka Jaiswal, recently retired Vice Principal from Mehta Vidyalaya. I am elated to see and extend my greetings to the school alumni, Shri Anup Sharma, Secretary, Bhavanites Association, Shri Mahanish Ahuja, Treasurer, Bhavanites Association, PTA representative, executive members, Shweta I can see sitting there. I can also see the batchmates of Gopalji. Hearty welcome to you all. It's a pleasure to see you all here. A hearty welcome to our proud parents sitting here, my fellow colleagues of Mehta Vidyalaya, all the officials of Bhavan's Delhi Kendra, and my dear students. It's an honor to present this annual report for the year 22-23, which documents the progress and achievement of our school. Under the guidance of most positive brains at Delhi Kendra and homogeneous efforts from our Vice Principal Srimati Jagrati Sharma, hardworking teaching, non-teaching staff, administrative colleagues, and our role model parents, our children received accolades throughout the year for the talents that they possess in academics and co-curricular activities. In academics this year, class 10th out of 148 students who appeared, 21 students passed with 90% and above marks, 109 students passed with first division marks, and 18 students were only below second division marks. In class 12, out of 146 students who appeared, 25 students passed with 90% and above marks, 115 students passed with first division number marks, leaving only 6 students to the second division marks. Pranjali Kapoor topped with 96.6% marks, followed by Himangi Indora with 95.2% marks, and Mahak Srivastava 95% marks, all girls humanities stream. The commerce stream, Mahak Mehrotra topped with 94% marks, followed by Isha Gupta with 92.6 and Ashutosh Chaudhary with 92.4% marks. Manas Lohani topped the science stream with 96.6% marks, followed by Chetan Kumar with 96.2% and second position Nikki Gautam with 95.8% marks. Our class 12th students have secured admission in various prestigious colleges, Delhi University, as well as different professional courses. Our teaching is inclusive and holistic. Approximately 90% of our student population stay with us for complete schooling. Students enter nursery class and leave after 12th class. The 10% floating population is only due to transfers and shifting of population. Unlike many other private schools, we take special admissions in class 6 and class 11 to boost up result. We try to recognize the potential of the children from the initial years and groom them as per their inherent qualities and interest. Bharati Vidya Bhavan Mehta Vidyalaya has always pioneered in supporting the education of children with special needs. We have 8 special educators, a counselor, a PGT psychology to support the needs of differential learning. This is the very reason children with special needs students who appeared in class 10th and 12th also excelled in the CBSE board examination. They all cleared the examination with flying colors. All students secured first division marks with distinction in multiple subjects. Co-curricular activities promote growth and mental and personality dimensions to the children's holistic personality. In 21st century, the world is changing fast. The conventional education curriculum, which was developed in 20s, has to pave way to new kind of education and learning, as also envisaged by NEP 2020. The famous book 5 Minds for Future by Howard Gardner clearly outlines the specific mental abilities that will help one to be successful as well as happy. The disciplinary mind, expertise in various subjects, synthesizing mind, ability to solve problems, the creating mind, ability to think creatively and solve problems, the respectful mind, ability to appreciate the diversity, and the ethical mind, ability to fulfill one's duties and responsibilities beyond self. These concepts emphasize the 21st century and learning must surpass the 4 walls of the classrooms. In the past few years, Bhavan's Mehta Vidyalaya has upgraded its infrastructure to suit the needs of 21st century workforce. We have recently added state-of-art sports complex where you all are sitting with international dimension, playfields and equipments which are also now available for evening sports activities. Our laboratories are all new and designed to meet the fundamental ways to grasp the concepts. We have developed subject-wise laboratories, senior classes and in integrated labs of science and maths for classes 3rd to 8th. These are equipped with latest gadgets and students can perform simple experiments to most complex projects to develop their thinking skills. We have 3 separate computer labs for junior, senior and middle class students. Each and every child has a comfortable access to hands-on activities. We have high-tech language lab to teach various skills of languages, such as reading with speed, speaking with fluency, and writing with accuracy. Not only this, we have fully wooden dance floor, a carpentry room, a robotics room to train the students in various 21st century skills. The entire upliftment of the school campus, including latest sports arena, is done under the guidance and direction of our visionary director, sir, Delhi Kendra, Shri Ashok Pradhan. The complete new building, Birla Sadan, with 21 new classrooms, nursery KG infrastructure, laboratories and activity room is constructed without any utilization of school funds. The entire expenditure on addition of new infrastructure is borne by Delhi Kendra. Throughout this year, students participated in multifarious activities and in-house and out-of-school activities. Students are trained and exposed to various inter-school and intra-school activities. The session 22-23 witnessed multifarious prizes being bagged by Mehta's Vidyalaya students in co-curricular events. Their achievements have brought laurels to the school. The entire Mehta Vidyalaya fraternity congratulates all the young achievers. 3 students from our school qualified for Mukhyamantri Vigyan Pratibha Pariksha organized by the Directorate of Education. Vani Agarwal, state rank 48. Bhavesh Kumar Sinha, state rank 64. Bhavin Bharadwaj, state rank 85. Dev Bhadur was selected to participate in national event held at the Sports Authority of India under the Khelo India initiative. Siddharth was selected to play Vijay Merchant Trophy cricket tournament at national level. In athletic meet by Directorate of Education, Rahul Krishna won 1 gold medal, 2 silver in athletics. Siddharth Kumar won bronze medal. Aditya Kumar won silver and bronze medal. Besides this, Krishna, Aniket and Vivan won the 3rd position in table tennis team event. School IT team is robust and creative. The learning environment